Hi everyone, this is VCreed83 and today I'm bringing you a new unboxing, and today's box is the Zbox. Today's box is a Marvel box and it costs £19.99 to ship. Let's see what's inside. And first off is a Spider-Man that you can hang up. Never come across these before, but looks pretty cool. Next is Avengers Hero Attacks tin. Now, I've actually got a lot of the old hero attacks, so that's pretty nice. Nothing inside though. Box. Ooh, what's this? Spider-Man candy sticks. And I'll bring them back to my childhood. Used to get those a lot. There's a box in there, so I'm being very careful. DVD of Stan Lee's Superheroes Season 1. Not actually watched this, so that'd be cool to watch. I think I'm going to have to take the box out. Ooh. I always like them. Marvel Pop Black Widow. Getting myself a nice little collection of pops. Some Avengers Hero Attacks. And put them in my tin. So you've got Captain America, Hawkeye, Iron Man, Hulk, and Hulk vs. Hulkbuster. Marvel tattoos. Now, I am planning on getting another tattoo or two, and one of them does appear that it could be a Marvel one, so get me in practice. Big book. Ooh. Secret Wars #1. A comic and a pop. See. Another book. It's a total film, which is a magazine, so that's different. But with a nice Hulk picture, so and another book. The magazine for the stuff inside. And a exclusive offer for Total Film. And that's everything. So let's review what we've got. Stan Lee's Superhumans DVD Season 1. Be watching that. Total Film magazine. It's interesting that you have an actual magazine. The Secret Wars #1 variant edition, so I enjoy myself a few variants. Some Hero Attacks cards. Gonna have to find the rest of them and start a collection. Some Marvel temporary tattoos. a hanging Spider-Man. When I get my setup, I'm going to have to find somewhere cool to hang that. Hero Attacks tin, which I really do like that. And the Black Widow pop vinyl. Two pop vinyls and 2 boxes, that's not bad going. And some candy sticks, which I'll eat in a minute. Well, thank you for watching, like and subscribe. See you soon.